How close it was to the road.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, just, it was right on that road.
Yeah.
This is really pretty, Patrick. Don't worry, I'm not taping your bums.
Sitting on the front seat.
Oh.
She's probably looking for the rest of my sandwich. Any barn's gonna be cold, but that's one thing that I can say about this one is that how many acres is this? I know that it's less than the other one.
A year ago, haven't completely finished it. The lower pasture is going to be broke down with an alley between it, and then there's an alleyway between them to get down into the bigger pastures.
I see.
And then there's pastures out back. 9 acres altogether.
Do you want these shut?
Yeah. That's tack room, grain room. That's where the water all comes in. Bathroom. That room's all heated.
Kitty?
Kitty?
Barn cat, yeah. Keeping the mice under control.
This is the main barn. This barn's fully insulated, walls, ceiling, everything. This barn stays up above 32 all the time. This barn, I have 8 stalls in this barn. And this barn is just the heated barn. The hay loft goes up there. I have a tack stall here. A tack stall grain room that I use in there. And then these stalls here, up here.
This is awesome.
Those are stalls that are
Okay.
numbered. No, it's just, but it's nice that they don't have windows into the arenas. Like aggressive horses, like over at Mary's. Other Mary. Yeah, they line the arena.
Wow. So how many stalls are in this section?
There's 15 down this side.
Wow.
These are all smaller stalls because I've always been able to pasture all the horses from out here. These are 9 by 10 stalls. There's a few bigger ones down here that, these are all wood floors in this section all through here. And then I built 2 bigger ones. When I built the arena, I built this section first and put these stalls on, and then I built the other side afterwards. I put a couple of bigger stalls here, and then these last 4 are dirt floors.
Okay.
And I don't use them all anymore. I had 42 horses here for a while.
Holy.
Yeah, it was too many. And then this is just a bigger stall with a run-in, and it's got a shed out back, a run-in shed underneath out back.
Oh, yeah.
With pastures out there. With the... Move, Liv. It's just a canopy here that there's a runway here. These are the sections that I was going to replace this year of fencing.
Okay.
I have a runway here, and then this is pasture, and then through that gate on the far side of the arena is another run-in shed and a pasture of its own over there.
Wow.
Do you have to buy all your hay?
Yes. Yeah. I do. I leave